Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video I'm going to be replacing a PCV valve in this 2012 Ford Escape. If you need this part or other parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. The PCV valve is located on the back side of this intake. Down here, it connects to the top of the valve cover. It's kind of hard to see. We're going to do this with the intake off so you can see it better, but it's way down here. You don't have to take the intake off to do this job. It's a lot easier if you had it off, but it's not impossible to do it without. Okay, we're going to disconnect this electrical connector right here. Just push down on the lock tab and slide it out, just like that. Now we're going to take and grab the valve itself, and we're just going to twist it to the left, just like that. And while we twist it, just try to pull it out. Just like that. You'd have to release this with some hose clamp pliers from the manifold to take this part off. We're going to show you how to do that on this side. We'll just take some hose clamp pliers, and the clamp's going to be stuck to the hose, which is okay. Just twist the PCV valve. As you twist it, just pull it out a little bit, just like that. Here's the old PCV valve. Here's the new PCV valve from 1aauto.com. If you look, the shape is the same, the threads are the same on the bottom. Comes with an O-ring. The connector is the same. It's a 2-prong connector. Get yours at 1aauto.com and you'll be ready to rock and roll. All right, I'm gonna install this on this tube first. Install the PCV valve to the tube. Just make it easier to do that now. Use the snap ring pliers, the hose clamp pliers. We kind of want to line it up kind of how it came out. It's kind of like that, which is good. All right, you want to take a little bit of the engine oil and just put it on this seal right there. That'll help it seal better and make it easier to install. So then we're going to take this and line this up back here. If you can remember how it came out, get it lined up the same way it came out. And then there's a little lock tab right there. That's going to go in there. Now this hose, we want this hose to move a little bit. So I'm just going to move that like that. Then you can reconnect this hose on the top of the intake, and we can connect this connector, lock it in place.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.